G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So we've got a fair bit happening. We've got like the Bathurst 500, it's coming up, so we're going to spend the weekend up there. Following weekend we've got Autofest, again at Mount Panorama. That should be pretty cool. We'll get ourselves up there, check out a whole lot of drag cars, hotted up cars. We might maybe see if there's a 40 up there. I doubt it, probably just ours. But anyway, but also in this episode, so really exciting. What is it, Jack?
We're drawing the giveaway.
Yeah, we're drawing the giveaway. So we've got a fair bit happening. I don't know if we'll get much time done on this, but we'll see how we go. We're going to check it out, eh?
All right, let's go.
Cool. Righto, we're down here in Bathurst again. Second weekend in a row. There's two major car events on. First we had the Bathurst 500. The Autofest is on, so a whole lot of enthusiasts have come down with some big muscle, ripping tyres up, heaps of smoke. It's pretty impressive. I think Jack's getting some crazy ideas to put some mad motor into his FJ40, but we'll work on that many years down the track. Anyway, pretty impressive. Enjoy though, that's the idea of it, and what a great procession going through as we of course source the permission from of course the Bathurst Council. Righto, so we've come to the end of the episode, and what have we achieved on the FJ45?
Nothing.
Nothing. We've achieved nothing. Like I said, we had a fair bit going on in our lives. Well, we chose to fill it up really. We went to the Bathurst 500, spent the weekend up there. That was really cool. The following weekend they had Autofest up there, so we went up there, checked that out. That was pretty awesome, man. There was some incredible cars up there.
Yeah.
Look, there was no 40 Series Land Cruisers up there, but man, some amazing cars with some incredibly huge engines with massive horsepower. So it was cool to see just other people's passion and check out what other people were doing. That was really cool. Right, so in the first major giveaway, we've got like Mr. Land Cruiser's big giant vinyl poster, which he's given away with some stickers, which is really cool.
And we also have these awesome coasters made by Side Hustle Science. These will also go into both giveaways.
Yes, both giveaways. Actually, all 3 giveaways if you've entered in on Instagram. So you can jump on Instagram and see the winners over there. So yeah, Side Hustle Science made us some other bits and pieces. So we've chucked that up on our wall, which is really awesome. The wall's starting to get a few little bits and pieces on it. Some appreciation mail, which is really cool. Thank you so much, guys. That's cool. But Chem Tools have really jumped on board with this giveaway and they've given us a stack of stuff to give away. As you've already seen, I've already boxed it all up. So it's ready to go to the winner.
So we have some heavy duty truck wash. I've got some R1, some engine degreaser.
You can also use that to clean yourself down with Jack.
Carby and throttle cleaner, and a bunch more stuff.
Heaps more stuff. Plus, the Grandma 40 shirt. Now, it's not for grandmas to wear, although you can give it to your grandma. It was drawn by Jack's grandma, my mum, and we put it on a shirt, and it's really cool. So that's awesome. Actually, I might put it on. How cool is that? So anyway, let's jump up, we'll jump online, we'll do the random comment picker, and let's announce the winners.
Awesome, let's
do
go.
it. Righto, random comment picker, Jack.
All right.
Let's get it hit.
First one. Here we go.
Matt Black.
So we got Matt Black.
Matt Black, congratulations, Matt.
From Inglewood in Queensland.
Inglewood, Queensland. Major winner, first Australian winner. That's really, really cool. So Matt, you're getting the full Chem Tools set, full Mr. Land Cruiser poster and stickers, the shirt, Side Hustle signs. It's all coming your way, Matt. So that's fantastic. Congratulations, Matt.
Congratulations.
Righto. Let's see if we can get an international winner. Righto, international winner. Who have we got?
So we've got Stephen Humphrey.
My Cabin Fever.
So he's from Bowling Green in Kentucky, USA.
Kentucky. Well done, Stephen. Sensational. So we're sending you our little Aussie pack. So that's our shirt, that's our stubby holder, some Vegemite, some Tim Tams, real Australian pack. A few 40 channel stuff in there too. So congratulations, mate. That is fantastic. Well done.
Congratulations.
Righto. So again, thank you so much for your support. It's been awesome. Congratulations to the winners. That's fantastic. And I think we have to promise that we're actually going to do some stuff on the FJ45 for the next episode. So we've been chasing up some parts, trying to organise some bits and pieces, and there could be something really exciting coming down the pipeline, well, for us, and we'll be able to share that in the next episode. So next episode, our plan is, if we can get all the bits and pieces organised and delivered, is get all the suspension on and get the axles on. So that's our big next step. So we'll see how we go, eh, Jack?
Yes. Hopefully we will.
So enthusiastic. Righto, guys. Again, appreciate your support. Feel free to leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, whatever you like. And until next time.
Thanks for watching.